Hey guys, so today I'm just going to quickly show you what my process is whenever I develop code. I did go to college for 4 years and got my degree in computer science. I learned how to program in languages like C++, HTML, CSS, and I don't use any of it. With AI where it's at today, in my opinion, it would honestly be silly to not use AI to program just because even if you are a professional, you know everything there is to know, you can't type 300 words in 2 seconds. It just makes more sense to use AI than to manually program. And so, for those of you that have it in your head, oh, I can't do that, I don't know how to do that, this video is for you. Let me show you just how simple it is. Full disclosure, I have already started working on this website, and so it has a lot of features in it already. But don't let that stop you because the process you're seeing is exactly what I did to build it from scratch. So you just have to throw yourself into it and see just how easy it actually is. Literally, all I do is tell the program, in this case, I'm using Lovable. I tell Lovable what I want it to do, and then it does it. With this particular website, I'm currently hung up on some bugs. So I'm on a Windows computer. I forget exactly what you do for a Mac, but on Windows, I just hold Fn and press end, and that brings up this console. And here you can copy and paste the errors that you see back in the Lovable so it has more information to work with. And you just tell it, hey, I tested this and it doesn't work. I did this and it doesn't work. Fix it. Because I was having a lot of problems with Lovable and I ran out of my daily credits, I decided to give Claude a try. And so far, I really like it. I don't know if it's kind of just getting a different perspective or if it genuinely is just that much better than Lovable. It'll be interesting to compare them back and forth to see when Claude gets stuck on something if Lovable can push through it. Once it's set up, it's the same concept of just going back and forth saying, hey, this was the problem, do this. To set it up, I just followed Claude Code Beginner Guide Get Started in 20 Minutes by Alex Finn. It's a really great video. He did an awesome job of breaking it down, so it was super simple. And he even included some really helpful tips and a workflow that helps make Claude even more efficient. So I definitely recommend checking that out if you do want to give this a try. If there is any one thing I want you to take away from this, it is that you are your own biggest enemy because you can do so much more than what you give yourself credit for. And so if you take anything away, it's that stop letting your own doubts stop you and go out there and just do the things that you want to do. Do the things that you have to do to get the life that you want. It might be hard, it might take a while, there might be a learning curve, but you can do it if you stop getting in your own way. So I hope you found this helpful, and to anyone who is dragging their feet on chasing their dreams, I hope that this has challenged you to stop and think what the worst case scenario is and what your biggest roadblock is right now, because I think for the majority of people out there, their biggest roadblock is just themselves. I'm still at the beginning of my journey. I'm far from being a success story yet. I hope that one day that I am. And I also hope that you follow along so that we can support each other together. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you found this helpful.